Hello and welcome once again. My name is Mr. QB, and in this episode I have a neat little design to present to you. It's a 3-block long automatic retractable bridge, a great little contraption and a neat addition to any world or structure to show off a bit of redstone. Let's take a closer look at the design, and thankfully it's a very basic design and very easy to make. Here we stand on platform A, wanting to get to platform B. A button will be provided perfectly in pressing range, which will activate the bridge to extend out from beneath platform B's floor. Once the bridge is extended, it will give us more than enough time to walk across safely before it withdraws. Another button will also be provided on platform B to activate the bridge for an easy exit. Due to this bridge only being able to extend 3 blocks, means that you can actually jump between the 2 platforms. If you like the bridge for its enjoyment or novelty factor, you can easily leave it at that. However, if you don't want the gap to be jumpable, a simple fix of a low roof at each platform will make the bridge compulsory. Either way, it's a really nice cute little design to be enjoyed however you desire. Then, once you have the design and idea in mind, you can take the retractable bridge to greater heights and design it with some character and bring it to life. Before we can do that, we must learn how to build one for ourselves, so let's dive into that now. First up, we're going to make the foundations for the redstone with wool, in which I've chosen 3 different colours to clarify each portion of the foundations, so it's easier to follow along with. Follow carefully as we place them in. That's the foundations complete, and onto adding in some of the mechanism. However, we need to make a decision first. Due to the nature of slime blocks which this bridge uses, most of the blocks they touch stick to them and get moved around. Here are some of the blocks that don't stick to slime blocks. Go ahead and choose one now. I'll be using obsidian to make it easy to use and see. Start off by adding these 2 buttons in at these 2 locations. Now place in 3 sticky pistons on top of each other like so, followed by 5 slime blocks in this L shape. Then I'm going to place in my 3 immovable blocks of obsidian at these 3 locations. Now we're going to make the redstone circuit. Starting with redstone repeaters, follow where I place them in and copy which direction I face them. Over here, click the first repeater once and the second one 3 times. Now place in these 2 redstone comparators, ensuring once again you face them the same way as I do. Now to finish off the mechanism, place in the redstone circuitry. That's the contraption complete. However, we need to make the platforms and the bridge itself, of course. Once you've chosen your desired textures, follow as I make a basic platform on top of the machine. We're going to add in slabs on top of this platform as the extendable bridge comes from beneath the slabs. You can extend them as wide and as long as you wish, but for now I'm making a basic platform for the purpose of this demonstration. If you push any of the 2 activation buttons, you should now see the bridge functioning as intended, extending 3 blocks from beneath the slabs. Since the bridge is 3 blocks in length, our other platform has to be exactly 4 blocks away. Then you can begin designing the other platform. At this point, your contraption can be taken in any direction you wish, but there are some very important things worth mentioning first. As I said before with slime blocks, grabbing and taking other blocks with them, make sure you place in your immovable blocks where necessary to ensure they don't become a nuisance. The same thing goes for the slime blocks near the machine. If you start building a wall next to these slime blocks, the mechanism won't function properly. Copy as I've done here with your removable blocks to create a safe barrier so the slime blocks can safely pass through. Once you've done that, you're now fully ready to take this design in any direction you want and use it however you please. And feel free to replace these 2 pieces of wall with buttons on them with any texture that suits your needs. I've decided to sculpt mine into a vague castle style design, ensuring the bridge has to be used to get from one side of the wall to the other, as I've disallowed jumping with the right roof height placements. If you wish to do the same, run some tests to ensure you and any others that may be using your bridge cannot jump from one side to the other if that's what you want. I hope you have fun with another new toy of yours, which you could probably add to your collection of machines by now. Thanks again to one of my builders, KJipGamer, for this cool little machine. That brings us to the end of another episode, my friends. Hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope to see you again very soon in the next video. Goodbye.